Hi friends, today I am sharing a super simple and quick recipe of mixed vegetable salad. It's super easy. I am using three basic of the vegetables including cucumber, red onion and cherry tomatoes. So let's start and let me talk about the ingredient procedure that we will follow. I am taking almost 6 to 7 small size of cherry tomatoes, 2 cucumber and 1 red onion. So these are the vegetables that I will add in the salad. Along with that, I have some other things, that is the coriander, almost half of the cup, dry mint leaf that I will use almost half teaspoon, national vinegar that will be almost 1 to 2 teaspoon, black pepper quarter teaspoon, it's the crushed black pepper, crushed red chili almost half teaspoon and salt half teaspoon. So these are the spices that I will add in the salad. So let's begin and start the cutting of vegetables. So for the cucumber, if you want to peel off the skin, you can, but I'm not peeling off the skin. I am adding the cucumber with the skin. After cutting this, I will cut onion and cherry tomato. So this is the time to move towards the onion. You can add the cube form onion, but I like to add this form, so I am cutting in the form of slices. Cut one tomato in 4 pieces. It's nice juicy cherry tomatoes. So take a medium sized bowl. I have added the cucumber, adding the onions. After this, I will add tomatoes. I have added the coriander leaves, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vinegar, quarter teaspoon red crushed chilies, and at the end almost half teaspoon of crushed dry mint leaves. Now we will mix them, and this is the final step. It's ready to serve. You can enjoy it. So it's my super easy, quick and simple salad recipe. I hope so you have learned and you will definitely try and let me know in a comment section how was your experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. I'll meet you in the next video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Goodbye.